So tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no man. So tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away the weight of you, of my shoulder.
So hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So we all know that the Christmas season is going on and there are some Christmas watch faces for Amazfit GTS 2 Mini and some of the other good looking watch faces. So we will see whether this watch faces displays any information in it, and also we will see whether this watch faces comes with an always on display into it. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say as, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So the first watch face which comes in the list is this Christmas watch face, and you can see this watch face comes with the name of Snoopy Christmas. This is available in the MS Faces app and a good looking watch face, and this watch face is an animated watch face also. So let's see what is the information displayed in this watch face. So you can see there is time, there is this animation going on, and also there is date and a day. So pretty good looking watch face. Now let's see whether this watch face comes with an always on display in it or not. So to activate the always on display for your watch face, you need to go to settings, and here you need to come to screen of watch face. In the watch face style, you need to select follow current watch face first. So this watch face comes with an always on display. Let's see how the always on display looks. So this is the always on display which comes with the watch face. The always on display is a big digital clock which shows on the screen all the time, and it will show you only the time in here. So good looking watch face. If you want to download, you can download it from the MS Faces app. So this is the second Christmas watch face which you can download for your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So this watch face comes with the name of Baby Yoda Christmas. So nice looking watch face, you can download from the MS Faces app, and it looks like this. This is not an animated watch face although, but it shows some of the information like the date, day and the time. And now let's see whether this comes with an always on display. So this watch face also comes with an always on display. Let's see the always on display now. So the always on display is the basic one. It will show you the digital clock, nothing fancy here. You can download it if you want from the MS Faces app. So the next watch face on the list is this big bold digital clock which comes for Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and you can see it is a colorful digital clock. This watch face comes with the name of M400M, and this watch face is also available in the MS Faces app. So the watch face has some information to display like the battery percentage, date and the day. Now let's see whether this watch face comes with an always on display. So in the screen of watch face, if you go here, you will see only two options are available. That means it doesn't comes with an always on display. So you can obviously keep the default always on display for this watch face. So if you want to download, you can download it from the MS Faces app. So the next watch face on the list is inspired by the Huawei Watch Fit, and this watch face comes with the name of Huawei Watch Fit. So this watch face also shows a little bit more information. So you can see the battery percentage, and also it will show you the date and the day and the time in this circular clock. So now let's see whether this watch face comes with an always on display. So this watch face doesn't come with an always on display, so you can obviously keep the default one as the always on display for this watch face. Next watch face on the list is known as the art watch face, and this watch face is a special one because the art it displays on the watch face, you can see it comes with this colorful letters or numbers. This watch face, because of the black background, pops out, and the color of the numbers changes every time it goes to another minute. So you can see that right now it just change the minute, and you can see the color of the minute hand also changes. So this is a type of color changing watch face and looks good because of the changing color on this black AMOLED display. So let's see whether this watch face also comes with the always on display or not. So in the screen of watch face you can see there is only 2 default AODs available. So this watch face doesn't come with an always on display, but definitely a good looking watch face you can install for Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Next watch face on the list is the red black watch face. So you can obviously download it from the Amazfit app. The red black watch face is a simple watch face in a circular design or pattern you can say, and it looks like a compass out there. So definitely a lot of information is displayed on the watch face. You can see the time, the second hand, the date and the day, and also the look of the watch face is different because of this circular design in it. So definitely a good looking watch face, and this watch face also doesn't come with an always on display, so you can obviously use the default always on displays for this watch face. So the next watch face is definitely a good looking watch face and a special one, and this watch face comes with the name of Cute WF, and this watch face is also available in the Amazfit app. Watch face is special because of these cute numbers and cute design of the watch face, and definitely a lot more information is displayed on this watch face. Let's see what are the information displayed. First is the day, then the temperature up there, the heart rate, the distance traveled, the time, and also date and the day, and also it will show whether it is AM or PM. And the good news is this watch face comes with an always on display. Let's see the always on display which comes with this watch face. In the screen of watch face you can select follow current watch face, and once you select it you will see a always on display popping up from this watch face, and this is a good looking always on display. You can see it is a colored always on display and a digital big cute clock on the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Definitely you can download it for your watch. Next watch face on the list is this blackboard watch face, really looking good on the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So this watch face is for the youngsters, and this watch face you can download from the Amazfit app, blackboard chalk watch face with the name it comes. And this watch face also shows a lot of information. You can see it is showing you the steps, the day, the date and the month and the time, and definitely a good looking watch face because of the black background. And this watch face also comes with a always on display. You can see a small little digital clock will be displayed as it is displaying in the watch face. Looking good on Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Also it displays the battery percentage here, so good looking watch face definitely you can download for Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Last watch face on the list is an Apple Watch Series 7 watch face. So this watch face also looks beautiful, and you can see this is available in the Amazfit app with the name of Apple Series 7. And this watch face displays a lot of information there. So it displays first the temperature here, and whether there is a sunrise or sunset with this little icon, and also the date, day, month and the time. And after that it shows the step count, the calories burned, the heart rate and the battery information. So it shows it in this bar like style, which looks really good, and it comes with an always on display. Let's see the always on display now. So the always on display is a basic digital clock, big one, and looks good on the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So these are the watch faces which are new released, and I wanted to show you guys how it looks, the feature and the always on display of these watch faces. Hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.